So you have learned all about conference, why and how conference as online you can do it on social media with using tools and Zoom meeting, StreamYard, and you just need a required no playground or something hall or something a large budget. You just need a something laptop, your team execution it and perform well, and thumbs up and like this video and share. For comment for more video will be I describe you are all about what content you need to know from me, and I have skills for something tell you more about, and Rehan Foundation brought by this video and more learning and engaging this. And Rehan Foundation is working from last 32 years for number of things that we create add more values. So below the link follow me and follow the Rehan Foundation and Rehan Alawala to connect your comments and just share your introductions and things you have keep answer to let us know how can we help in this process and you have done with your successful conference, or you are going to share your conference invitation to me or Rehan Foundations, so you can keep sharing us. Have a good day. Thank you for a wonderful video and keep looking forward guys. Thank you so much.